not too slow. Just stay with the kartals.
श्री श्री गौर निताय चंद्र भगवान की
जय।
शिला प्रभुपाद की
जय।
So let us hold our hands together. जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस प्रजकाचार्य शतरशत His divine grace AC भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिला प्रभुपाद की
जय।
ISKCON फाउंडर आचार्य शिला प्रभुपाद की
जय।
विष्णुपाद परमहंस प्रजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तरशत His divine grace शिला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी महाराज प्रभुपाद की
जय।
अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की
जय।
रामाचार्य शिला हरिदास ठाकुर की
जय।
प्रेम हो श्री कृष्णा
चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय।
श्री श्री राधा कृष्णा गो गोविनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरी गोवर्धन की
जय।
श्री वृंदावन मथुरा धाम की
जय।
मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम की
जय।
पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र श्री जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की
जय।
श्री गंगा माई की जय, श्री यमुना माई की जय,
जय।
भक्ति देवी की जय,
जय।
तुलसी देवी की
जय।
श्री हरिनाम संकीर्तन
की जय।
निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे
हरि हरि बोल।
ऑल ग्लोरीज टू द assembled devotees.
हरे कृष्णा।
All glories to the assembled devotees.
हरे कृष्णा।
All glories to the assembled devotees.
हरे कृष्णा।
All glories to Shri Shri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada.
जय। जय जय जय।
अन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपदान् सहगणा ललिता विशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधाकान्ता नमस्तुते। तप्त कंचना गौरंगी राधे वृंदावरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशातारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So Hare Krishna, welcome again. So the teenagers can go. भीमसेन, पांडव का जो बीच में वाला जो भैया है वो भीमसेन could not do any fasting. Okay, so Bhim could not do any fasting on any other Ekadashi. So one day when Vyasadeva was visiting them, so Bhim asked him that I can't follow any Ekadashi because of the Vakrodhara Agni in me. Because of that I always have to eat. So what will happen to me? And Vyasadeva said, obviously anybody who doesn't follow Ekadashi will have to suffer and they will go to hell for some time, for whatever time. And Bhim was very, very upset and he said, okay, can you please give me a solution for this? I can't do all the 24 Ekadashis, but is there a possibility that you can give me some kind of a jugaad, if you like? And then and then Vyasadeva then said, yeah, okay, so this particular Ekadashi that comes on this Tithi, that is about to come tomorrow in our Melbourne, he said if you do that Ekadashi without, if you follow that Ekadashi without any water, Nirjala, then you will get the benefit of all the 24 Ekadashis that appear. So then Bhim, then he did the Ekadashi, and that is how he prevents himself from going to the hellish planets. So Ekadashi is mandatory, all of us need to follow. For people who have missed out on any Ekadashi or may have accidentally broken the Ekadashi by eating something which was not meant to be, then this, by doing this Ekadashi, you can also cover up that Ekadashi that had gone and which you were not able to follow. समझ में आ रहा है? So we are not beings that we have to eat all the time and hence we have to do the Nirjala Ekadashi. Okay, Srila Prabhupada never ever stressed on doing Ekadashi Nirjala. Okay, but devotees out of their bhakti towards the Lord, they take on various austerities, and many of the devotees will do this Ekadashi. So if your body and mind state permits to do this Nirjala Ekadashi, then you can do it Nirjala if you like, but you must still follow Ekadashi by eating non-grain prasad like Ekadashi prasad, still do it. Okay? So Ekadashi doing is mandatory, Nirjala is not mandatory, but people do it, and devotees do it, those who can, and it is a good austerity to do it once in a while. It's just once in a year. So if you ask me, tomorrow is Saturday, so if you ask me should we do it or not, 100%. Already it is Saturday, many people have holiday. So what you have to do? Just cancel every single thing and just follow this Ekadashi. So the main idea of doing Nirjala is when there is no food or water in the body, then what happens? The mind becomes extra alert, very alert. People think actually that you will feel sleepy, tired. It happens for the first few hours. The body goes into shock, and then the entire mechanism starts working. It will tap your reserves and take energy from the reserves in the body, okay? And then the mind becomes ultra alert, very alert, and the chanting that happens at that time is super. Hence the idea of upavas, Ekadashi upavas. Upa means near, vas means to stay. So stay near the Lord all the time. So that's the whole idea. So if you are too tired of your life, too many troubles, too many issues everywhere, whether it is the married life or whether it is the work life or whether it is the family life, or whether if you are being ridden by various diseases, or if the neighbor is problematic, if the saas is problematic, if the boss is problematic, so many problems everybody has. If you are tired of it, then Ekadashi is a very easy way to get your santulan back, because this is something you are going to do for yourself. ये कमाई जो करने वाले हैं आप अपने लिए करने वाले हैं. So you have to do it for, this is something beautiful you can give for yourself. And so in the devotee community is very, very happy that this festival is coming. It is no less than a festival for us, okay? Because you are going to get so much, okay? So much. Already devotees have planned for 64 rounds. 64 rounds. हाँ, आराम से हो सकता है. Saturday है कल तो. हाँ. So we did one round now. With that pace, it will take 8 minutes for one round. But devotees generally will do bit faster. So around 7 minutes, first class. So if you were to get up early tomorrow morning, and if you start your first japa session, generally devotees will plan like from 3 a.m. people will start. They'll get up early 2:30. Tonight sleep early 2:30. They'll get up, naha dhoke, 3 o'clock start, 3 to 4:45 first batch of 16 rounds. Attend Mangala Aarti quickly, or Mangala Aarti starts at 4:30, so you can attend from 4:30. So many people can finish in an hour, 35 minutes or so their 16 rounds. Then attend Mangala Aarti up till 5:15. Then from 5:15 to 7, second set of 16 rounds. So by 7 o'clock, 32 rounds are finished, and because it's the Mangala Muhurat, those rounds are super best, because the world has not yet woken up, your phone is not ringing, so many things. So that's the 32 rounds. Then take 7 o'clock Shringar Darshan, then attend Bhagavatam class till 8:30, and then take that period gap, then rest for half an hour. Then 9 o'clock to 10:30 or 10:45, 11, then the speed will become slow. Then another 16 rounds till 11. Take another half an hour break, again another set of 16. By 2 o'clock, 64 rounds finish. You can also do it, but you need to have that motivation. You can also, everybody here sitting here, I don't see anybody who is so engrossed in their life that they can't do it, but provided you have the right motivation. So when we chant the rounds, what happens? When we chant the Maha Mantra, then it purifies our heart of the contamination. So there are so many other bad things that are happening in our life, and Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says that this world is dukhalayam ashashvatam. This place is full of miseries, and this is a temporary world. So we can't stop the miseries, we can't stop things happening to us, but we can definitely change the way we think and we approach to the problems that are coming to us. Okay, so if our mind is fully dedicated to the Lord, then no matter what problems come to us, we are in a very steady state of mind. Are important. Otherwise, if you are too happy, then we will forget the Lord. I'm telling you. That's one reason why people are stuck to the Lord. And when Lord Krishna came to Kunti Devi, and he asked her once, like, Kunti Devi, what is it that I want to give you something? What is it that you would like? After the war and everything was over, okay? Who is Kunti Devi? Yeah, mother of Pandava. Yeah. So Kunti Devi asked that, oh Lord, may my life be full of miseries. Can you imagine? Lord Krishna is asking you, standing in front of you, bolo kya chahiye? And then Kunti Devi tells कि मेरे जीवन में दुख आने दो ताकि मैं आपका स्मरण हमेशा करती रहूं. Completely different class. So obviously it takes a lot of courage to pray this way to the Lord, because the Lord can say tathasu anytime. Right? Yeah. I'm sure we are not in that position to pray, but we can take some lessons from the mindset of pure devotees of the Lord, and that they are, even if dukkhas are there in their life, it is not wavering for them. It is more of an opportunity to further surrender to the Lord. So as I said, when we start chanting the names of the Lord, it purifies our heart. And when our heart is purified, then we start seeing the world in a different way. If somebody is doing bad to us, then what do we start looking at them? He is giving back some of the karma that I may have done in some past life. For example, if my partner is not good with me for any reason, or if my saas is not good with me for any reason, then I may have done something similar in some previous life, and this is the package that is I am getting back. And then we happily accept it, and we said हमारा कर्मा कट गया, अच्छा हो गया, अभी next. But for that mentality, for that mind state to happen, and for us to not react and give tit for tat, the chanting is necessary. Only then the purification will happen within the heart. So somebody was saying our heart is like a bucket full of mud. एक बाल्दी ले ली, उसके अंदर पूरा कीचड़ है अपना. And then if you put that bucket full of mud in under a tap with water on, then what will happen? When the water falls in that bucket, what will happen? What will come out? Mud, black water, mud is going to come out. So this is what happens when we chant. The water is the chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. It is pure, but our heart is full of impurities. What are those impurities? Pagalpan, pride, anger, greed, envy, lust. So many things happening in our heart. So initially when we start chanting, then all of these black things will start coming out. They will torture our mind, because the moment we are trying to focus our mind on the Lord, all these thoughts, planning will start coming out. Many things will happen. But what if we keep that tap on? Then the more mud will come out. As long as we keep that tap on, more mud will come out. The idea is not to switch off the tap. So what happens? As the tap water keeps on falling, eventually all the mud loosens up. अंदर का जो कचरा है वो ढीला होके बाल्टी से बाहर आ जाए. इवेंचुअली वाटर धीरे 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 बाहर आके ओवरफ्लो के गिर जाएगा, फिर क्या रहेगा? क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर. बट व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? टैप बंद नहीं होना चाहिए है, अपना चैंटिंग बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. वन डे योर हार्ट विल बी प्यूरिफाइड द वे दैट मडी बकेट इज गोइंग टू गेट प्यूरिफाइड. चैंटिंग बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. नो मैटर व्हाट हैपन्स, you must chant every single day whenever you can and all the time you can. Actually 16 rounds Prabhupada just said, as I mentioned so many times, 16 rounds पे तो रुकना ही नहीं है. Everywhere in the Shastras it is said सततम कीर्तयन्तो माम. Lord Krishna also says हमेशा भगवान का नाम लेते रहना चाहिए. So initially when Prabhupada was telling the devotees in the West, he said 64 rounds daily, because that is what other sampradayas are doing. Minimum 64 rounds. Other sampradayas related to ISKCON only, Gaudiya sampradayas, 64 rounds they are chanting every single day, and they are working. It's not that they are retired people or something. No. Everybody is working. Everybody has a problem in their life. Everybody has kids. Everybody has something or the other going on. Okay, no discounts to anyone. This world the Lord has made is perfect for everybody. सबको बराबर मिलता है. No partiality happens. Okay. So if you are thinking you are the only one who is working hard day and night, and then you are getting tired at the end of the day, and then you can't chant, you are fooling yourself. Chanting जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, you are just fooling yourself. You are just going to waste your time, and then there is no point even coming to this class, because 2.5 3 years हो गया. If you are not chanting 16 rounds daily, then boss, you are wasting your time. It is a true fact. Keep on coming, but eventually if that transformation has not happened, and if you are not serious, and if you are not serious, your kids are not gonna be serious. I am telling you, your kids will be also similar to you. हल्का फुल्का कभी भगवान के सामने आ गए तो ऐसा ऐसा कर लिया और बाहर से भाग गए. That's what gonna happen, and then your life will be based on the karmic reactions that you have stored in the past, that you have collected in the past, and that's how you will progress day by day, never knowing what has happened. And because you have not read Shastras, scriptures नहीं पढ़ा है, when things go bad in your life, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है. मैं तो बड़ा अच्छा आदमी था, मेरे साथ ही लोग ऐसा क्यों बुरा बर्ताव कर रहे हैं. Then you start self-pitying. So what is the thing we need to do? We need to start reading. We need to start taking control of our life spiritually. This is the spiritual wealth we are talking about. It is not gonna go waste at all. Not a single mantra that you have chanted will ever go waste. So I have from my other wallet, Bhakti Vriksha, there are people, our Rajan Prabhu also is driving a truck, right? 12 hours of truck driving duty. बोलते प्रभु मैं आता हूँ घर में तो इतना थक जाता हूँ, I get so tired, I just sleep. I need actually 8 to 9 hours of minimum sleep. Prabhupada said 6 hours of sleep is enough for a normal person. But I understand in his case 10 to 12 hours is focused on the road, then he is getting tired, so 8-10 घंटे का नींद लगता है, which is fair. So what he is doing, he has taken a electronic counter in his hand, and then he is chanting that way while he is driving. It is a safe thing, nothing big, nothing entangling that he can't drive. So he is managing somehow his 16 rounds, and then I told him, बस 16 rounds हो ठीक है, but at least 2 rounds on the माला. 15 मिनट तो निकाल ही सकते हैं, 7 मिनट 7.5 मिनट का एक राउंड, उतना तो कर ही सकते हैं ऐसे. So he is doing that, and then there are few people who have come up. I have 3 housewives नहीं बोलना चाह रहा. I have 3 actually working ladies in from Wallet, and 5:45 को Neetu Mataji first. We have a Japa group. The way you have we have Japa group for Manda, I have a Japa group for Wallet. 5:45 को 16 rounds Neetu वो आ जाता है. When I see them, I'm like, wow. And I have just completed half of my rounds by that time. And then around 6 o'clock, another lady, 2 kids, 6 o'clock she puts it, because they have to go to work. So I asked them, माता जी हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र ही चैंट कर रहे हो ना? मैं लगा कि some people will do something different ना, कोई राधा 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 करेगा, उसको बोलेगा हो गया 16 राउंड. नहीं हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र. कितना टाइम लगता है एक राउंड होने के लिए? आई जस्ट टुक अ टेस्ट. 5 मिनट में होता होगा ना? नो प्रभु, आई टेक 7 मिनट्स. बोला वाह, दिस इज द क्लास. बोला तो ओवरऑल हाउ मच टाइम डू यू टेक? बोलते एटलीस्ट 1 hour 45 minutes. एंड देन आई सेड हाउ व्हेन डू यू स्टार्ट? 3:45 4 o'clock स्टार्ट होता है, नहा धो के सब रेडी होके 4 o'clock when the lady of the house does it, and by 5:45 her rounds are finished. Wow, जबरदस्त. Now with that consciousness she has to start cooking. वो भगवान का भजन कीर्तन करते करते एक तो पहले तो अपना 16 राउंड उसने खत्म कर दिया है, खत्म नहीं अच्छे से चांट करके प्लीज कर दिया लॉर्ड का. नाउ विद दैट कॉन्शियसनेस शी इज कुकिंग. Obviously when that prasad bhoga prasad is happening, everybody is eating in the house, सबका level consciousness is changing. बहुत जबरदस्त. Okay, so there are these 3 ladies there, Neetu hai, and then Rupali is there, and then I forgot the name of the other lady. So yeah, so there is 3 ladies, and then slowly by 8 o'clock there are 2 or 3 more gents who are posting 16 rounds. So very motivational, highly motivational. And so sometimes if I don't finish my 16 rounds by 7 o'clock or so, I feel like okay, I need to do better. Okay, so yes, it is important that we do it. Now I understand. So Mataji, how was your experience for the last 1 week that your kids are coming to that morning reading session? Hang on.
So for Vian, Prabhuji,
हाँ.
like you have to get up like every Monday now onwards and for this class, and he didn't make any choices. He straight away got up and
इससे बोलो थोड़ा यार, ये लो. Yeah.
So for Vian, I
How old is Vian?
7.
7.
Saisha is 10.
हाँ.
So for Vian it was all good. वो ready था क्लास के लिए, तो उसको हमें एग्जाम नहीं करना पड़ा.
हाँ.
He was very into the thing कि हाँ मुझे उठना है और क्लास ज्वाइन करनी है. तो नेक्स्ट डे साइशा, पहले दिन साइशा नहीं आई, लेकिन नेक्स्ट दिन जब उसने देखा कि वियान कैन डू इट, सो व्हाई कांट आई. सो अगले दिन उसने भी बोला मम्मा आई विल बी ज्वाइनिंग दिस क्लास.
तो कितने बजे उठते हैं बच्चे क्लास के लिए?
6:30 क्लास स्टार्ट होती है, तो 6:20-25
Yeah.
We start asking कि start like
हाँ.
you have to get up.
हाँ.
And they take 5-7 minutes around.
Yeah, they can just
Settle
get up and just straight away come to
Settle
the,
down.
which is perfect. The
Then
kids,
they
yeah,
just sit in front of the iPad
and they start.
and they start the class. Yeah. So very good experience. मंगलवार बुधवार हमें उनको ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं पड़ा. Just with one say कि you have to get up and get in front of
Yeah.
the iPad. They know that something in routine they have
Yeah,
started.
and they love the reading of
And
the
they love
scriptures,
to
Sri
read.
Ishopanishad. Yeah,
Very much.
Very
And
much,
they want to read. They
Wow.
want, in case they miss the reading, and Vian is like, no, I want to read as well.
all right. Yeah,
They really liking it.
no, that's so nice. Can you give to Reshmi Mataji? So Mataji, can you share again your experience? How is Pranav and Nandana? Because I can see Pranav is nowadays asking questions also. So yes, how was it?
Hare Krishna, Guruji.
Hare Krishna.
It's hard to get them up. It's okay, but they are used to it now. It's been 2 weeks now.
2 weeks. Yeah.
And they do 2 to 3 chanting with the Prabhupada. And after
Yeah.
that they start the class.
They start the class.
Yeah. And they are very interested in reading also. And Pranav, you can see that he knows lots of things. That he reads Bhagavad Gita,
Yeah.
Bhagavatam. Then he finished the Bhagavatam tales, Gauranga Sandas, 7 volumes.
Wow.
So he knows lots of things. And,
Good.
So that's why he asks lots of questions.
Yeah, so nice. All right.
And
Thank
I
you
have
for
noticed
sharing.
Prabhuji, he reads very nicely.
हाँ,
When
Pranav.
he reads Bhagavad Gita and he has a lot of questions.
Even I have seen Pranav
And
बहुत
I have
जबरदस्त
seen
पढ़ता है.
Pranav,
He is very nice, and so I just want to thank the mothers here for providing that platform, because making the kids get up is very difficult. And I think I want to confess that I did not do this with my son Siddhant. Somehow I did not do this. I was like कि वो बड़ा होके करेगा, क्यों मेरे फोर्स करना है उसको. And I was looking after my sadhana, but somewhere I did not. So we definitely got him into bhakti and all. We provided the platform, but But getting up early, we did not force it. So he used to get up around 8. And so now also, unless he is extremely motivated for something, he will not wake up very early. So now if your kids are in a stage where they are listening to you, now is the chance. Later on it's gonna be difficult once the body rhythm sets. It's difficult to and anybody, even if you keep spirituality aside, even in the material world also, the early bird gets the worm. If you get up early, you are anyway 2 hours ahead of the rest of the competition, because material world is a competitive world. So you are anyway 2 hours ahead of the rest of the so if you can get into a habit of getting up 4 o'clock, 6.5 hours, 7 hours sleep, and that means you have to sleep by 9 minimum, so that you can cover up your sleep, which means your dinner has to finish by 6, nothing eating after sunset. I think I spoke this last time also. So it is important. Now what has happened is, Ojas Prabhu, my senior god brother and who conducts all these classes, so he called me yesterday and he congratulated me that so many people are coming from, so there are families from here, and then there are some families from Wallet who are doing that. And so nowadays the attendance is around 60-65 for the reading session. So children also read, adults also read. Great start. Then he said कि प्रभु जी मैंने ने मेरे भक्ति वृक्षा के लिए चालू किया था ये प्रोग्राम, अभी आपके लोग भी बहुत आ रहे हैं तो हम लोग के इधर से कंप्लेन आ रहा है कि हमको चांस नहीं मिल रहा है, because then he is now reducing the amount of time that he is giving to his people, because I requested him, and then he is giving time more to our people. So then he has requested that, can you start your own thing? That way I can focus on. And then he said, it's good that so many people are coming from your thing, so you start your own thing. Ashish bhai, so karo chhe. So then I quickly said, bhai, ki japa session we will continue to use yours, because I am not in a position to start the japa at 4:30 every day morning, because but I said, okay, I will try with the class and see what happens. So the reading session I'll take for just our group, which means the adults and the kids will get half an hour, 6:30 to 7 a.m. मैं आपसे पूछ के करके ही करूँगा. 6:30 to 7 a.m. करंट स्केड्यूल, उसमें बच्चे और अडल्ट सामने आएंगे और सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे, एंड वी विल क्विकली डिस्कस व्हाट वी हैव रेड. इज दैट ओके?
प्रभु जी वो पहले से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं कि वही मीडियम से आते से ही?
कहाँ से?
कि ये नया हमारा ग्रुप बन रहा है.
हम तो हमारा ग्रुप बनाएंगे ना, हम तो स्टार्ट जहाँ से हम करेंगे वहाँ से स्टार्ट, जहाँ हम खड़े वहाँ से लाइन शुरू होगी. ऐसे ही है. इतने पिक्चर देखे हैं, अभी भी आ रहा है वो, है ना. दैट इज़ वाई सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जब स्टोर होती है ना कुछ बात, टू रिमूव इट फ्रॉम देयर इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट है. तो हम हमारा स्टार्ट करेंगे, आप जैसे बोलेंगे वैसा करेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो जहाँ से चालू करना है वहाँ से करेंगे, बट आना पड़ेगा. वो है. So I know I have 2 families who are already coming, but then it's not going to be fun with just 2 families and 4 kids. Obviously if more people come, and then I need some of you to take notes or thoda recap करके. So then everybody is on, and then imagine, then you start your work. Half an hour of your day you have already given for Shastra reading. Let's say we start with Ishopanishad only. It's a small book, हो जाएगा हम लोग का पढ़ के. तो अगर यहाँ से 50-60% लोग आते हैं जिनको 6:30 to 7 में आप आ रहे हैं, आपकी ज़िंदगी अगले, you give yourself a 75-day challenge. जन्माष्टमी आने तक your life will change, your family life will become super. I'm telling you, because the consciousness has changed. Everybody wants to be there, and we will do this only from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, 5 दिन. Saturday, Sunday छुट्टी, and public holidays छुट्टी. Saturday, Sunday छुट्टी, public holidays छुट्टी. Only 5 days a week. Will you come, Amit Prabhu? Will you come with your child? Will you try to come? So yeah. I don't want to put anybody on the spot, but yeah, we have to do something. नहीं तो होगा नहीं. And I'm going to do the same thing tomorrow with the wallet program. Those who come will feel the change. That's why I asked them to share their experience, and they can see it's going to change their with the way things are happening in their family. It is very important we take things in our hand and we doing things.
Probably it's always the start which is hard.
It is hard.
So once you start, you feel like you never look back. You have already started for so long.
Yeah.
So you just get used to that.
Perfect.
Atmosphere and feel like.
Yes, the start. Because many people want to do so many things, but वो हवा में ही रह जाता, माइंड में ही रह जाता, ऐसा करूँगा वैसा करूँगा, बट करते नहीं है कभी कुछ. वो करने के लिए जिगरा चाहिए होता है, वो हवा में ही रह जाता है, माइंड में ही रह जाती है बात, मैं भी ऐसा करूँगा नहीं. सो यू हैव टू डू इट, यू हैव टू डू इट. अब ये मंडे को तो आप सब राजा का बर्थडे बनाएंगे. हाँ, किंग्स बर्थडे है उस दिन. हाँ, मंडे को मॉक टेस्ट करे यार. 6:30 to 7 का टाइम है ना, नहीं आया कोई तो पहले दिन खुश हो जाएगा. हाँ, एंड आई डोंट बिलीव इन स्टार्टिंग ऑन इस मामले में हारना नहीं है. It has to be successful right from day one. The way this class was also successful right from day one. हैं?
ये मंडे ठीक है.
मंडे छुट्टी है, चलेगा? हाँ हाँ, एक ही दिन मिलता है. देखो यार, चलो अपन डिस्काउंट देते, ट्यूसडे से करते. हाँ, बिकॉज
इतने दिन से नहीं, एक दिन और.
हाँ हाँ, क्योंकि मंडे अगर वो पब्लिक हॉलीडे है ना, कि आपको किसी ने संडे नाइट को बुला दिया कि कल छुट्टी है, आराम से जाते आज लेट नाइट, फिर माता जी, कैन योर सन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन, लाइक इफ यू गिव हिम आईपैड. व्हाट इज स्केड्यूल? 6:30 to 7 में ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, जस्ट हैव थिंक अबाउट. You leave house. And the kid also lives with you, yeah?
One of my friends come and pick him.
Later on.
Yeah.
But then if he has his iPad, then he can just have the link.
He does his
हाँ.
asanas and other
ठीक है.
So I leave him there. I get him ready, and then he does all
Yeah.
these things, and then he
Yeah.
comes around 8.
That's all right. Okay, I understand. नहीं ठीक है, because he is not coming to the class, so this is the best way for him to catch up with the 6 months. Monday to Friday.
Yeah, but the
Anyway.
days which I am at home, then he can.
All right, no problem. So we have to work around those timings. Timings can't change. एक पकड़ के रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आफ्टर 7 o'clock everybody is busy. If I do 6 to 6:30, it will be very early for many. So 6:30 to 7 is just the right time, and many people can finish their japa from 4:30 to 6:30. So that gives them a chance to get into the hearing mode. All right. So you have to work. You have to decide the prior. What is important? Will my kid get that association, or whatever he is doing? Like in this particular case, my son is doing pranayama or whatever. It is very nice, but can he do that little bit later? That you have to decide. Everybody's situation is individual, very specific. So you have to work around it. All right. Okay. So tomorrow is again Ekadashi. Try to get up early if you can. Come for Mangala Arati. निर्जला पांडव निर्जला एकादशी में मंगला आरती 4:30. if you are attending in temple, if you are staying around in the temple for some time, chanting, what a wonderful way to start your ekadashi. Okay, so that's one thing. Or you can join that japa session. You can't come for mangala, no problem, don't waste time traveling. Join the online japa session that is already there. You can just be there, नहा धो के उठ के रेडी करो और ज्वाइन करके वीडियो ऑन करके करो जपा सबके साथ, भक्तों के साथ. When you see others chanting, then you will get motivated, and you will see people in one sitting they are doing 16 rounds. All right. Okay. So Tuesday we have a date 6:30 to 7. If one of the partners is going, if the husband is going to work early, and if the mother is around, then she can take the responsibility of coming back. And Ashish Prabhu, you can so we will use Microsoft Teams. That is a session that we already have from the temple. So Microsoft Teams we can use, so which you can click and see your phone, iPad, whatever. Because we are going to do reading session, it is good that that you have a iPad or something. At least the phone screen is too small to read. iPad या कंप्यूटर, बच्चे अगर आ रहे हैं तो उनको कंप्यूटर या iPad के सामने बिठाओ. And if there are 2 kids, better both the kids be on the same device, because 2 devices gives echo. 2 devices will give echo. So both the kids should be on the same device. I think many people here are with 2 kids with little age difference. So great. Okay, link, yeah, I'll figure out something, because this happened this morning only. No, yesterday only it happened. So I'm still thinking how do I get about it. But yeah, I think it is a good thing. Whatever happens for the best, and I think the Lord has a way to keep me engaged in the morning.
Every morning.
Monday to Friday, हाँ every morning हो गया अभी. तो Friday Saturday तो इधर ही होता है. So yeah, which is good. So the Lord is engaging me and allowing me to serve all of you, and I need your cooperation. All right, with Pandav Ekadashi, so it was because of Bhimsen the Ekadashi happened. Another thing that happened on this Ekadashi में क्या हुआ है, रुक्मिणी कृष्ण विवाह भी हुआ यही समय में. रुक्मिणी कृष्ण विवाह, so Rukmini Devi, and that prasanga is coming into Bhagavatam. So can we just have a quick read of that for the next few minutes, and then that way we are in the right consciousness. Let me just start with the base. So I'm just going to share the screen, that way you all will come to know how do we navigate. I'm sure you have seen this earlier, but still, so we want to go into Srimad Bhagavatam. So I'm going to go to libraries. So many books to read. So many books to read. I am going to read. And if you can read all of these books, even if you can read Krishna book, Srila Prabhupada himself said, जो भी कोई Krishna book पढ़ेगा is in the game, he becomes eligible to go back home, back to Godhead. Krishna book is based on Canto 10 of Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay. So today also there are so many cantos. Today we are going to read from Canto 10. And Canto 10 में we are going to read from chapter 54. 54, yeah, 54. The Krishna kidnap 53 we will. Okay, 52 we will read. Rukmini's message to Lord Krishna, because this is what we want. You all know, right? Rukmini Devi sent a letter. उसने ना चिट्ठी लिख के कृष्णा के पास भेजी कि मुझे आपसे शादी करनी है. किसी ब्राह्मण के साथ भेजी. हाँ, तो वो प्रसंग है यहाँ पे श्रीमद् भागवतम में कैंटो 10. I will ask somebody to read. Where is the mic? Deepika Mataji, can you please, can I ask you to read? I'll tell you where to read from. Hang on. I'm just seeing. Okay, let us read from, and this is exactly what will happen in our 6:30 to 7 session. ऐसा ही screen दिखेगा, and this is exactly what I will do, and I say, can you please start reading from here, the highlighted one, at this point.
At this point, Maharaja Parikshit asked a question, and Sukadeva Goswami responded to it by beginning to narrate the history of the marriage of Lord Shri Krishna and Rukmini. Rukmini, the younger daughter of Bhimasena.
Mic pass पकड़े थोड़ा.
Rukmini, the younger daughter of Bhismaka, the king of Vidarbha, had heard of Shri Krishna's beauty, strength, and other fine qualities, and she therefore made a mind that he would be perfect husband for her. Lord Krishna also wanted to marry her, but although Rukmini's other relatives approved of her marriage to Krishna, her brother Rukmi. Her brother Rukmi was envious of the Lord and thus forbade her to marry him. Rukmini wanted her to marry Shishupala instead. Rukmini unhappily took up her duties in preparation for the marriage, but she also sent a trustworthy Brahmana to Krishna with a letter.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. So, so what we have read here is Rukmini and Rukmi are brother and sister, and Rukmi being the elder brother, he wants his sister's marriage to be done with Shishupal. Okay, and Rukmini has already given her heart to Krishna. मैं करूँगी शादी तो भगवान से ही करूँगी, वरना नहीं. But she is now making a plan, and so she writes a letter, and then उसका खास एक ब्राह्मण है उसको भेज देती है दूध बना के. All right. So yes, Mataji, please continue. When the Brahmana
arrived in Dwarka, Shri Krishna properly honored him with the ritual worship and other tokens of reverence. The Lord then asked the Brahmana why he had come. The Brahmana opened Rukmini's letter and showed it to the Lord Krishna, who had the messenger read it to him. Rukmini
1 minute,
Devi,
1 minute, Mataji. So what it is said here, Chila Prabhupada explains Shri Krishna properly honored the Brahmana. घर में गेस्ट आया ना, अतिथि आया, पहले तो उसका आदर सत्कार किया पूरा. इवन इफ इज अ मैसेंजर, पूरा आदर सत्कार किया. ब्राह्मणा का आदर सत्कार कैसे करते हैं? श्री कृष्ण हैज वॉश्ड हिज फीट. सो that is the custom actually. Custom of a guest coming to the house. But feet water से धोना छोड़ो, हम पानी भी नहीं पूछते. पीने के लिए पानी भी नहीं पूछते. So that is how it is now. All right, yes, let's continue.
Rukmini Devi wrote, ever since I have heard about you, my lord, I have become completely attracted to you. Without fail, please come before my marriage to Shishupala and take me away. In accordance with the family custom, on the day before my marriage, I will visit the temple of goddess Ambika. That would be the best opportunity for you to appear and easily kidnap me. If you do not show me this favor, I will give up my life by fasting and observing severe vows. Then perhaps in my next life I will be able to obtain you.
Thank you, Mataji. So Rukmini Devi here is clearly planning. Okay, so marriages at the time happened in various ways, and one of the ways that this particular marriage is about to happen is when a Kshatriya abducts his bride. Okay, that is allowed. That is a form of marriage, because for a Kshatriya to abduct the bride and take him, he has to show a lot of valor. That means he has to take the bride from the bride's kingdom and then come back, which means he will fight with the army of that particular kingdom, and if he wins, then he gets to keep the bride. So that is a Kshatriya way of doing it. And Rukmini Devi knew, so she said, okay, don't come inside the kingdom, and I don't want many people to get killed, because if Krishna comes, then obviously he can come with his army और सबको कर सकता है. So she said कि नहीं, मेरी जब भी शादी होने वाली है, when my marriage is about to happen, तो मेरी शादी का एक रिचुअल, एक प्रथा ऐसी है कि हमें देवी का दर्शन लेने जाना पड़ता है. देवी का दर्शन कहाँ पे? देवी जो है नगर के बाहर है, देवी का मंदिर. तो देवी का दर्शन लेने के लिए देवी के मंदिर में जाना पड़ेगा नगर के बाहर. तो ऑलरेडी पैलेस से रुक्मिणी देवी निकल के बाहर जाएगी, ज़्यादा आर्मी नहीं रहेगी. तो वहाँ से कृष्णा मुझे आप ले लेना, सब प्लानिंग किया है माता ने कि वहाँ से ले लेना, ज़्यादा कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं होगा, आराम से जाएंगे फिर वहाँ से ऐसे. सो माता देवी इज डूइंग दैट. एंड सो दिस इज इन श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 10. सो नाउ इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ टाइम we will just fast forward. So remember that the original katha, the original dialogue is happening between whom? Parikshit Maharaj and Shukdev Goswami. So Shukdev Goswami is narrating all of this to Parikshit Maharaj. But who wrote this Bhagavatam? Vyasadeva wrote. But then in that Sabha, there was Shaunak Rishi also. So there was so many people sitting, so many people sitting. It was not a one-to-one thing. Parikshit Maharaj was part of the assembly of various saints and sadhus, and one amongst them was Shaunak Rishi. Okay. Huh? Yeah, so many other devas are also there, but yeah, we are talking mostly about Shaunak Rishi. Shaunak Rishi then goes away, and then he then addresses another assembly of sadhus, and that's where he speaks. So there are various actors in this particular thing, but yeah. So now we are reading about Chaitanya. Okay, all right. Let's. And it is said, Rukmi envied the Lord. So when you, so we have people who don't want to take up chanting for whatever reason, for whatever their past karmas or whatever their past sanskars are there, and they somehow belittle the Lord also. कि हम नहीं मानते कृष्णा को. Sometimes they are envious for whatever reason. Okay. And so here we have Rukmi who is envying the Lord. I say it is clear, and he forbids his family members to give sister to Krishna, although they wanted to. Instead, Rukmi decided to give Rukmini to Shishupal, who is none other than a demon. Rakshas ko diya apni behan. Okay, all right. Let's. So I'm just going to go from here because we will just read what the purpose. Kidhar gaya? Chapter 10. We were on chapter 52. We will just go to 54 and 50. ये करते 53 पे जाते हैं. So we will just read this. So this itself is Mataji. Now we'll give it to somebody else. इनको दो आप पढ़ो. So 1 minute. So this we are reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, canto number 10. This canto's name, as given by Srila Prabhupada, is the Samam Bonam, and we are reading chapter 53. Krishna kidnaps Rukmini. Yes, please.
This chapter describes how Lord Shri Krishna arrived in Kundina, the capital of Vidarbha, and kidnapped Rukmini in the presence of powerful enemies. After Lord Krishna had heard the Brahmana messenger recite Rukmini's letter, the Lord said to him, I am indeed attracted to Rukmini, and I know of her brother Rukmi's opposition to my marrying her. Therefore I must kidnap her after crushing all the low-class kings, just as one might generate fire from wood by friction. Since his solemnizing of vows between Rukmini and Shishupala was scheduled to occur in only 3 days, Lord Krishna had Daruka ready his chariot at once. Then he immediately set out for Vidarbha, which he reached after one night's travel.
Hold on. So Lord Krishna had Daruka ready his chariot at once. So obviously when somebody prays to the Lord, then the Lord will give support. When Draupadi also requested the Lord, she cried for the Lord. Lord immediately came there in the form of an inexhaustible sari. सारी खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है. कैसे आई? भगवान ही आए ना साथ में. Here also Rukmini Devi is telling the Lord, Lord, शादी करूंगी तो आपसे, वरना जान दे दूंगी, अगले जन्म में देखेंगे. She has clearly written in the letter. The Lord said, okay, serious है मामला, यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. Okay. So what he says, the Lord Krishna had Daruka his ready his chariot. Daruka is the Sarthi of Lord Krishna. So when you go to Jagannath Puri, and when Jagannath's Rath comes out, then there are these various horses, and then there is a chariot driver. उसको जगन्नाथ का रथ का chariot driver को दारुका बोलते हैं. Okay. Similarly, there are names of chariot drivers of Balram and Subhadra Devi's Rath also. Okay. So he immediately set out for Vidarbha, which he reached after one night of travel. Gode pe, 1 night of travel. Okay. All right. Let's proceed.
King Bhismaka, trapped by his affection for his son Rukmi, was prepared to give his daughter to Shishupala. Bhismaka saw to all the necessary preparations. He had the city decorated in various ways and had its main roads and intersections thoroughly cleansed. Dabha Ghosha, the king of
Chedi,
city, having also done everything necessary to prepare for his son's marriage. Arrived in Vidarbha, King Bhismaka greeted him properly and gave him a place to stay. Many other kings such as Jarasandha, Salva and Dantavakra also came to witness the occasion. These enemies of Krishna had conspired to kidnap the bride if Krishna came. They planned to fight him together and thus guarantee Shishupal his bride. Hearing of these plans, Lord Baldeva gathered his entire army and quickly went to Kundinapura.
All right, yeah. So here now we can see so many people. So even the enemy, or even Shishupal and his father and others also have got a glimpse that Krishna can, because they know of what is going in Rukmini's heart. Okay, and hence they also know that Krishna भी आ सकता है कभी भी. So let us all plan together. So उनका भी setting है, पूरा army है. हाँ, actually it is a huge army here. And so when Balram obviously comes to know, Dau Bhaiya comes to know, then Dau Bhaiya says, okay, no problem, I am coming, even I am coming to party. And here it is said, किधर गया? Promise to, where is it? हाँ, so even Balram has come there with his entire army. I missed that thing, one night before wedding. हाँ, hearing this Lord Baldev कहता है, and so the marriage is going to happen. शादी 3 दिन में होने वाली है और उसके पहले ही जस्ट रुक्मिणी देवी भगवान को चिट्ठी लिख के भेज रही है कि मुझे आके ले जाओ यहाँ पे, तब तक मैं एक्टिंग करूँगी, बट माई हार्ट इज विथ यू. ऑलराइट, सो शी राइट्स दैट. Okay, let's continue.
On the night before the wedding, Rukmini, about to retire, had still not seen either the Brahmana or Krishna arrive. In anxiety, she cursed her bad fortune. But just then she felt her left side twitch, a good omen. Indeed, the Brahmana shortly appeared and related to her what Krishna had said, including his firm promise to kidnap.
All right. Mataji, now you may give to Shelly. Would you like to read?
When King Bhishmaka heard that Krishna and Balarama had arrived, he went out to greet them to accompaniment to the trumpet music. He worshipped the Lord with various gifts and then designated residence for them. Thus the king showed due respect to the lords as he did to each his numerous loyal guests.
All right. So Krishna and Balram went there as attendees to the marriage. कि हम भी आए शादी में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. ओके, आगे सीन चेंज हो जाएगा. All right, let's continue.
The people of Vidarbha, seeing Lord Krishna, remarked to one another that he alone would be suitable husband for Rukmini. They prayed that on the strength of whatever pious credit they had, Krishna might win Rukmini hands.
All right. So now the Praja also sees Krishna and says कि what a वंडरफुल पर्सनैलिटी, इसी को शादी करना चाहिए हमारी जो राज्य की जो कन्या है रुक्मिणी. एंड व्हाट इट इज सेड, दे प्रेड दैट ऑन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ वाटर प्रायस क्रेडिट्स दे हैड, कृष्णा माइट विन. सो हम क्या करते भगवान के पास जाके मंदिर में भगवान से मांगते, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, भगवान हमने जो पुण्य कमाया आप ले लो, ये आप ले लो और उसके जोर पे हमारी कन्या के साथ शादी करो. What a wonderful, उल्टा चल रहा है यहाँ पे है. हाँ, तो ये द्वापर युग है. हाँ, बोलो.
When the time came for Srimati Rukmini Devi to visit the temple of Shri Ambika, she proceeded there surrounded by many guards. After going down to the deity, Rukmini prayed to be allowed to have Shri Krishna as her husband. Then she took the hand of a girlfriend and left the Ambika temple. Seeing his inexpressible beauty, the great heroes present dropped their weapons and fell to the ground unconscious. Rukmini walked with deliberate steps until she noticed Krishna.
Hold on. So yeah. So Shri Ambika, किसका मंदिर है? अंबिका देवी, अम्बा देवी. जय जगदम्बे प्रणव रूपिणी अंबिका माते. हाँ, ऐसे आरती है देवी की. So we see that demigod worship was prevalent at that time too. And here the Lord is using one of the Devis to ensure that he also gets married. ऐसा है. The Lord also glorifies his devotees. All right, let's continue. Yeah.
Then as everyone looked on Shri Krishna, took Rukmani onto his chariot, like a lion climbing his rightful share for the band of jackals. He drove back all the opposing king and slowly made his exit, followed by his associate. Jarasandha and the other king, unable to bear their defeat and dishonor, loudly condemned themselves, declaring that the defamation was like a petty animal stealing away with the rightful belong to the Lord.
Hari Bol. Okay, all right. So the Lord invited Rukmini on his chariot, रथ पे बिठा दिया और भगा के लेके गए. अच्छा, फाइट भी हो रहा है इसमें, वो सब लिखा नहीं है, बट हो रहा है, फाइट भी हो रहा है, बट सबको डिफीट करके. इतने बड़े बड़े लोग थे, सो मेनी पीपल वर देयर, जरासंध एंड सो मेनी आर्मीज, बट एवरीबडी वॉज जस्ट लेफ्ट दैट वे. ऐसा लिखा है. ऑल राइट. See, such nicely Srimad Bhagavatam is there. But what do we give to our kids? I remember as a child, because there was not a big background of Srimad Bhagavatam when I was a child. So my mother used to go to the library and she used to get 101 Arabian tales from the Arabian Nights. So I grew up reading that. And I was amazed by कि वो अल्लादीन कैसे चटाई लेके उड़ता है, मुझे भी चाहिए. पंचतंत्र फिर भी ओके है. मैं तो अरेबियन नाइट्स सब वैसे वाले जिसमें भगवान का नाम ही नहीं है. हाँ, अली भगवान का नाम ही नहीं है उसके अंदर. सब जादू टोना में ही है कि जीनी आएगा आपको देगा. तो मेरे लिए था कि मैं कैसे किसी जीनी को पकड़ूं. हाँ, भगवान का तो नाम ही नहीं. हाँ, हाँ चिराग. हाँ. तो आई वॉज इन लाइक इमेजिनिंग कि मेरे पास भी आएगा ऐसे अप्सराएं ये वो. हाँ, ऐसा कि देयर इज अ मैजिक वर्ल्ड, अरेबियन नाइट्स. हाँ. So and the graphics are also so nicely painted in that book that it can capture any child's imagination. So we have to ensure that we give Srimad Bhagavatam में भी Bhagavatam tales के there are so many nice pictorial presentation that you can do that, right? All right. किधर है हम लोग? So you need to read this along with your kids. Even I think even your kids will enjoy this.
So probably even kids will start asking questions like where this God come from? Who gave birth to God? So they are reading the context and they are asking similar type of questions, which sometimes we feel.
हाँ, तो उसको बोलो पार्क. There should be a parking notebook. एक गराज बनाना पड़ेगा ना उधर की, जो नहीं समझ में उधर लिखो कि just write your question. Next time we'll meet प्रभु जी और माता जी, you can ask, है ना? Then you can ask. So no problem. That is perfectly fine. And you should always encourage very nice question. But we will ask this to Prabhuji Mataji because I think they can give the correct answer, and then you can still keep your dominance over that part and say okay, let's proceed in this context. Okay, so which is good. Deliverance किधर गया? 52, 53, 54. Okay, Krishna kidnaps Rukmini. So this is what happened today. So I got a call from today. I took darshan of Sudhanshu. क्या नाम है इसका? Sudhanshu from Neel Madhav temple. Neel Madhav temple is in Orissa, Puri, and so he called me when Aarti was there, and he showed the darshan of Krishna, and then he went away, and they said, "ये शादी का मंडप है प्रभु जी." And somehow I had obviously read the video, I knew this, but I still asked, "ये किसका शादी हुआ आज?" आपको पता नहीं प्रभु जी? बोला क्या? So I wanted to hear from, because they speak in such a loving way. They are the pandas of the Lord. अरे अपना मदन मोहन और उसका शादी हुआ रुक्मिणी का. बोला अच्छा. So there is a Madan Mohan उत्सव मूर्ति, and then he showed me a palanquin. So palanquin होता है, palanquin मतलब पालकी. This also happens in Jagannath Puri, where Jagannath Puri's उत्सव deity is. जगन्नाथ को नहीं नहलाते ना, उत्सव जब भी आता है तो उत्सव मूर्ति को नहलाते हैं. तो so उत्सव मूर्ति is Madan Mohan. So he said there are pandas of Madan Mohan and then there are pandas of Rukmini. Jagannath temple में there are Rukmini देवी का भी temple है, Rukmini देवी ना Lakshmi देवी भी है, ऐसा बोलते हैं. So there is a temple. So he said on this day Rukmini Devi's Panda, they will write a letter in that Oriya Bhasha, and the Panda will go with the letter dressed as a Brahmana to Jagannath's Panda, and then he will read. They are acting all of this in front of the Lord. Live हो रहा है अंदर, ठीक है. Then he will read. Then the Lord's Panda, Jagannath's Panda, acting on the Lord's behalf, will tell कि okay जाओ हमारे करके हमारा संदेश पहुंचाओ. So this Panda will go back to the Rukmini temple ऐसा. And then here now the chariot and all the घोड़ा वगैरह तो नहीं लेके, तो पालकी में बिठाते भगवान को, और भगवान पालकी में फिर दे गो टू द रुक्मिनीज टेम्पल. देर रुक्मिनी देवी को उठाते हैं और भगवान के पालकी में साथ में रखते हैं, और सब पंडा भाग भाग के रिटर्न आ जाते हैं ऐसा करके. सो दे एनैक्ट दिस पास्ट टाइम्स फॉर लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ ऐसे. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस हैपेंस इनसाइड. आई सेंट यू अ वीडियो where one of the Prabhujis from Puri, he has very nicely narrated everything. आधे घंटे का वीडियो है, बट वीडियो नहीं है, उसके अंदर ऑडियो है, but it is still a video file, so you can listen to that. It's on YouTube. Very nice. You will get a good idea of how things happen. तो बहुत होगा. हाँ क्या हुआ? हाँ आ गया, बट इधर तो बैटरी चालू नहीं हुआ, पता नहीं क्यों. एनीवे okay, anyway, so we are almost there. Okay, so that's what happened. Yeah, we can continue to read because I think people are not yet out. So the marriage of थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेते चलो. माता जी साइड वाले को देना. हरि बोल. The marriage of Krishna and Rukmini, chapter 54. Yes.
The chapter describes how Lord Sri Krishna defeated the opposition kings after kidnapping Rukmini. This figured Rukmini's brother Rukmi, brought Rukmini to his capital and married her. As Sri Krishna was taking Princess Rukmini away, the inimical kings gathered their enemies and passed him. Lord Baladeva and the generals of the Jadu army turned to face these opponents, blocking their advance. The enemies then began pouring in incessant showers of arrows upon Lord Krishna's army. Seeing her husband to be forces under such violent attack, Srimati Rukmini looked at Sri Krishna fearfully, but Krishna simply smiled and told her there was nothing to fear because his army would surely destroy the enemy in short order.
Okay, thank you Mataji. Nice reading. All right, so Rukmini Devi was stressed and she is looking at Shri Krishna fearfully. But Krishna simply smiled and said nothing to fear. So as devotees of the Lord, when there are issues in our life, when there are troubles in our life, we just have to take shelter of the Lord. So the Lord may not be able to reciprocate by smiling to us and things like that, the way he has done to Rukmini, but we should have full faith. भगवान हमारे पीछे है, हमारे साथ है, हमें कोई भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. So that kind of faith we should have. So the Lord may help us in various ways, and it is not necessarily by ensuring that other people are shown down. But he may give you strength, he may give you the capacity to go through that trying circumstance. हर एक के जीवन में अनेक बाधाएं आती है, बट जब भी भगवान को हम समर्पण करते हैं तो हमें वो शक्ति मिलती है वो नैया में बैठ के उस तूफान को पार करने की. वो शक्ति अगर हम हमारे में ही खोजे तो नहीं मिलेगी, हमारे दोस्तों से खोजे, इधर उधर से ट्राई करके करेंगे, खास फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. We have to surrender to the Lord. There is no other way. There is no other. And the earlier you understand this, the faster your progress. Otherwise you will be fighting your battle alone. अकेले ही लड़ते रहोगे जिंदगी भर. भगवान को समर्पित करो, भगवान मैं आपका हूँ, अभी आप देखो कि मुझे कैसे इस नैया से, इधर कैसे इस तूफान से बाहर निकालना है. फिर देखो अपने आप रास्ते आ जाएंगे सामने, अपने आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं आके हेल्प करेंगे आपको. या वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सरेंडर. एंड हाउ डू यू सरेंडर टू द लॉर्ड? सिर्फ मुश्किलों के वक्त ही सिर्फ हमें ध्यान नहीं करना है, हमें सततम कीर्तन करते रहना है. वी आर इन कलयुगा, कलयुगा प्राणी है हम. कलयुगा में नाम जप ही है, यज्ञ वगैरह करके फायदा नहीं होने वाला. हाँ, ऑल राइट, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. माता जी किसी और को देना अभी. गिव टू रेशमी. माता जी.
Lord Parikrama and other heroes then began to annihilate the opposing army with Naracha arrows. The enemy kings, headed by Jarasandha, retreated after suffering the destruction of their armies at the hands of the Yadavas.
All right, hang on. Okay, let's read from here. Yeah.
Time now favors the Yadavas.
Okay, sorry. This is important. I want you to read this.
Jarasandha consoles Shishpala. Happiness and distress are never permanent and are under the control of the Supreme Lord.
Hang on, बस. Who is talking to whom? जरासंधा कंसोल शिशुपाल. शिशुपाल की शादी होने वाली थी, अभी हुई नहीं, अभी नहीं होने वाली है. और जरासंध उसका दोस्त है, उसको बोल रहा है बुरा हो गया तेरे साथ बहुत, है ना. और क्या बोल रहा है? सुख और दुख, हैप्पीनेस एंड डिस्ट्रेस आर नेवर परमानेंट एंड आर अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड. जरासंध को भी पता है, उसको भी शास्त्र पता है. और बोलते आगे 17 टाइम्स कृष्णा डिफीटेड मी बट इन द एंड आई वाज विक्टोरियस ओवर हिम. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है. सो यस, इवन द डीमंस नो द शास्त्रा बट देन दे हैव नॉट सरेंडर टू द लॉर्ड. सब पता है बट फिर भी हमें सरेंडर नहीं करना है. तो हम कौन हुए? ये जरासंध जैसे हो गया ना. सब कुछ नॉलेज पता है, सब पता है, बट नहीं, चैंट नहीं करेंगे हम सरेंडर नहीं करेंगे. हाँ, हम हमारी लड़ाई अकेले ही लड़ेंगे, हम एक दिन जीतेंगे. देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं उसको, ये 17 बार तो मैंने कहा एक दिन तो जीतूंगा मैं. कौन जीतता है फिर? टाइम, काल. भगवान कृष्ण स्वयं नहीं आते, भगवान कृष्ण समय को भेजते. मृत्यु हर्षचित, सब कुछ छूट जाता है, सब पीछे रह जाता है. ऐसे. ऑल राइट, सो व्हेन वी रीड भागवतम विद श्रीला प्रभुपाद परपोर्ट, आंखें खुल जाती है, सब बंद द्वार खुल जाते हैं. ऑल राइट, my Rukmini Devi is here and before things go out of hand we should stop. Hari Bol. ये लो अभी आपके लिए कल के लिए होमवर्क. You go home and you read. Very nice. Okay. श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय. महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नमः ब्राह्मणी वैष्णवे स्वल्प पुण्यवतं राजन विश्वासो नैव जायते शरीरा विद्याजाल जोड़ेन्द्रियता हे काल जीवे फेले विषय सागरे तारा मध्ये जीवाती लोभामय सुदुर्मती ताके चेता कठिन संसारे कृष्णा बरुदोयो मोय ओरी बारे जीव जाय स्वप्रसाद अन्न दिलो भाई से अन्नमृता पाओ श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गुण गाओ प्रेमे दाको चैतन्य निताय जय निमाय जय निताय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री राधा वल्लभ महाप्रसादम की जय।